Where's the comb? Brush. Count ikaw. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. Kain ka na kami. Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Thursday. So, it's a gloomy day today. Nagsisimula na naman lumamig. 21 degrees Celsius. And ayun, medyo ano siya, chilly ng kaunti. Pero okay pa rin naman yung weather. So for today, wala ano lang kami, gala-gala kung saan-saan. Pupunta muna kami sa aking mga in-laws. May kukunin dun si Mister. Tapos pupunta kami sa Dollar General. Meron kasi akong bibili doon. And then sa pet store, bibili si Mister. Magtitingin siya ng mga fish. And then mag-fast food lang kami. So ayun lang ang aming munting family day for today. Kasi bukas bang susulat ulit si Mister. So samahan niyo po kami. Si Baby Zelda. Ay, Baby Zelda. Natutulog. Kamukha daw tayo, Baby Zelda.
I thought they would be a nicer color.
What's that?
It's wood for the aquarium.
Wood.
Even though we're surrounded by wood, you have to buy special wood.
Dito na kami sa Dollar General, guys. Tingnan nyo si Zayda. Oh, nagpapabuhat na naman. Pasaway talaga itong batang ito. Pinapahirapan dada niya. What's that, baby? You want toys again? Dinosaur. Are you a happy baby? You want that doll? Sumasayaw-sayaw pa to si Zayda. Dali! Go in! Ay, nako! Baby, come on! Show them your kazoo talent. Go! Ay, nako! You're just being silly. He doesn't want to do it. Dali na, do your kazoo. Bilis! Happy dance. Do it. Tapos na kami doon sa Dollar General, guys. Sandali lang kami doon. Pero konti lang yung nabili namin. Nasa $52 na agad siya. Anyway, ganun talaga. Mahal na ang mga bilihin. So, ano na kami ngayon? Papunta na kami ng Wendy's. Kakain lang kami. And then, punta na kami ng pet store. Si Zayda, ini-enjoy yung kanyang kazoo. Hindi ko alam yung na yan, yung toy na yan. Sabi ni Mr. ang tawag daw is kazoo. Tapos parang lang siya yung torotot sa atin. Pagka New Year. Ayun. Gustong-gusto naman ni Zayda na i-enjoy niya. So, andito kami guys sa parking lot ng Walmart. Dito kami kakain. Total, lang naman siya. Fast food lang. Wendy's. Lagi naman kami sa Wendy's kumakain. Ito si Baby Zelda. Mas gusto niya tong carrier na to kaysa dun sa yung isa. Mas comfortable siya dito. Zayda, dun lang siya nakaupo sa kanyang car seat. Si Mr. andun sa harapan. Love, how are we going to spend the free money that you got?
We already spent it. We bought a bed.
That's not the exact amount of money.
You're
gonna save it?
Our savings, yeah. One more, please. One more,
Zelda?
Zayda can have.
So, ganun namin gagastusin yung pera. Hindi namin talaga siya gagastusin. Kasi save. Si Zeta, meron niyang favorite na kinakanta ng dada niya. Love it. Do it. Zeta's favorite song. Louder your voice. They can't hear you.
She's gonna choke on her food.
Yung da da da. Baby, Zeta. Da da da.
Da da da.
Ito na kami sa Petco, guys. What are you looking for?
Nothing.
Ganda ng fish, oh. Love, I like that. It's like glow in the dark. Ganda ng fish. Tingnan nyo, oh, glow fish. Ang ganda. $10. 98, 99. What's this? Can we eat that? Ni Mr. Oh. What do you call this, love? Lobster? What do you call this?
I think it's a crayfish, but they call it a lobster.
Crayfish. Ayan. Vanilla. Ano basa dyan? Carl lobster. 19.99 mahal siya. This one is so small. Ganda ng mga fish. Zelda, is that pretty? Pretty. Pretty. Maganda. Say maganda. Ha? I like this glowfish. Ito talaga gusto ko. Oh, ang ganda. Is that pretty? Pretty too? A lot of fishes. Pretty. Is that pretty? Water. Meron naman ditong turtles. Na maganda din.
They got koi.
What is this? Koi?
You can put them in my parents' pond. Oh, this is actually what I keep.
What are these? Just plants? Nag-e-enjoy si Zira. Kaso takbo ng takbo. Diyos ko, baka makabasa.
She's not good.
Do you like the turtles, Zira? Turtle. So we are back home, guys, and i-haul ko sa inyo yung pinamili namin sa Dollar General. Una is yung bathroom rug, kaya so naiwan namin doon sa minivan. And then ito pala yung in-order ni Mr. sa Amazon para sa fish tank. So hindi ito kasali. First is ito conditioner, L'Oreal Paris Elvive. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. First time ko lang ito gagamitin. Ito kasi yung nakita ko na parang okay doon sa Dollar General. Garnier talaga yung ginagamit ko na conditioner. And then, CoverGirl na eyebrow pencil. Ayan siya. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ito. And then, Vitamin E Moisturizing Skin Oil Blend. Ayan. Tapos, Olay Vitamin C Mini. So, first time ko lang din itong gagamitin. And then, snacks. Jalapeno poppers. Kasi, this one. Tapos ito si Mr. Parang bata naman na yung lollipop. Caramel apple pops. Is this good? Do you think Zeta will like this?
No, she's too little. Let's take the wrapper off.
Ganito itsura niya. caramel apple pops. Mukhang masarap. Oh, love. Catch. Can you? I'm gonna try aim it.
I should take the wrapper off and put it in my mouth.
Ay, naku. Pang bata.
You're gonna like those.
Caramel. I thought you don't like caramel.
I don't, but I like those.
Masarap. Wait lang. Ay, masarap siya. And then, ito, ayaw akong pabilhin ni Miss Santo, pero pinilit ko siya. Starbucks Frappuccino. And, we love your coffee still. Gummy bears. Zara, do you want this one? Tapos ito para sa snacks ni Zara, sugar wafer strawberry flavor. So ayan, yun yung aming pinamili and yung total niya is nasa $52 or $53. Nawawala na kasi yung resibo. Tapos yung kanina pinag-usapan namin ni Mister, yung about doon sa nakuha niyang pera, yung paano namin siya gagastahin. Gagastahin talaga. Wala, hindi namin siya gagastahin. I-save namin para sa future. Where am I gonna put this? Gummy bear. Bibigay sana kasi ito kay Zara. Ganon kami, no? Pagka merong extrang pera, hindi naman kasi kami mahilig sa mga mamahaling bagay. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga sasakyan namin, hindi siya yung mga bagong model. Pero wala kami binabayaran na monthly. Kasi lahat yun is binili namin in cash. So, yun yung importante sa amin, hindi yung mga luxurious na bagay or luxurious items. Ang mahalaga is merong pera sa savings. Meron niya ako isa napanood na nagba-vlog yung Guzman family. Nag-usap sila doon ng mag-asawa. Tinanong siya nung asawa niya kung naiinggit daw ba siya doon sa may mga bagong model na mga sasakyan. And correct me if I'm wrong kung nanonood kayo, Guzman family. Sabi ni Sir Ana daw, mas maiinggit daw siya kung ipakita sa kanya yung bank account, kung magkano yung laman ng bank account niya, which is nag-a-apply din sa amin. Parang hindi importante kung meron kang mga magagandang items na nakikita ng ibang taong mahalaga, is kung ano yung nandoon sa nakasave doon sa wallet mo or doon sa bank account mo. Kasi para siya sa future. Do I have to put this on the fridge?
Maybe not.
It seems like it's gonna melt. Ha? So, hindi namin alam kung... No, it needs to be on the fridge, love. Chewy caramel. Going to melt. Pero hindi na naman kasi ganun kaano. Kainit na yun.
So we get this cool color that has some inherent problems. Like, because you have that light, you can't grow plants very well. Because you can't grow plants very well.
Tapos kahapon pala, napabili kami ng ice cream cake. Wala na nag-crave kasi ako. Pinadeliver na. Mahal talaga pagka ipapadeliver mo. Kasi syempre merong delivery fee. Tapos magtitip ka pa doon sa pag-deliver. Hi! You want ice cream? Na-mention ko kasi ice cream cake. Si Zara, gusto niya ng ice cream. Later, I'm gonna give you ice cream. Mama will just put this away. So, ayun, ganun kami mag-manage ng aming finances. More on, talagang, hindi kami nag-splurge or bumibili ng mga mahaling bagay. Basta useful at mapapakinabangan pa. Ganun. And kung hanggat maaari, ayaw namin na. Si Mr. pinapanood niya itong what's this, love? Glowfish. And according sa kanyang pinapanood, ang glowfish is what?
Glowfish are made for like little kids, you know.
And what are they saying? It's artificially...
It's genetically
modified
organism. GMO fish. They made them glow.
So anyway, love, I was talking about how we manage our finances and how are we gonna spend the $10,000, and you said a while ago that anyway, that we're not gonna spend it, we're just gonna save it. The only amount that you took is the one that we spent for the floor bed, because that's important. Are you jealous to those people who have like luxurious items?
No.
the things you own end up owning you. You know, my nicest thing is the GTO, but I'm always worried about every little problem it has, and I can't really enjoy it. And the other nicest thing is the Harley Davidson, and I'm always worried about every little problem it has, and I can't take good care of it. I can't enjoy it. It's like I shouldn't even be owning these nice things. There's certain things that I like and want.
What would you prefer, having luxurious items or having money on your savings account?
I don't really care about stuff. I just care about not having problems. And the best way to not have problems is to have money saved up. And so I care more about having the money because the money can solve problems. Once I spend the money, I can't solve the problem that's gonna happen. Like when they almost were not gonna give us the money, I had enough savings that I could, just go back to work and we would not have a real problem. And so that's the reason to have savings.
Yes, the baby poopy. The baby poopy. Can you, show them that you know how to count in Tagalog? Isa. Dali na. Isa. OMG. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. Lima. Yay! So, yun lang po for today's video. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much again for your support and see you again next time. Bye!
Bye.
Bye. Kiss.
Mwah.